Hello, my name is Liesel. Do you need to quickly add a QR code to your Canva design so that your customers or followers can simply scan and connect? Then you're in the right place. Let me show you how. I want to quickly create a QR code for this new collection flyer here in Canva. So let's go over to the left-hand side, go down to apps. Then you can search in Canva apps. So let's say QR code. Here it comes up, QR code generator. I'm going to choose this simple one here in the middle. Click on it. Open. Now I can simply put in the website link where I want it to go to. So I will go to the website, and it's this collection that I would like it to link to. So I'm going to copy the URL. I will paste it in here. I would love to customize it. The background color I'm going to keep white, but the foreground color I would like to make a nice gold color. So you can either search here and choose the color that you like, and if you have the code, you can put it in here, the color code. So that's what I'm going to do. So now my QR code's foreground color will be gold, and then I simply click on Generate Code. Before I continue with this design, I quickly want to double check that this QR code is in fact working. So I will scan the code on my phone, follow the prompt, and see if it's opening into the correct link. It is opening to the correct link, so now we can continue. I would like to place this QR code to the bottom of the flyer, so let's scroll down. I will move it down. It's a little bit too big, so let's make it smaller. And I can just leave it as is. It's perfect that way, but I quickly want to show you if you want to put a frame around it. So we will go to Elements, search, for example, Scan Me, See All. And then you will see all of these options coming up. Most of them you have to pay for. There are a few that's for free, like this one, for example. If you click on that little frame, you can also go and change the color. You can drag it down and place it around your QR code. That would be one option. Let's go back to Elements. You can also scan QR code within Elements, of course, and then let's see graphics, if there's anything fun there. Something like this could also work. It's quite fun for a design. Delete the old frame. Let's add this one in. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below, and looking forward to see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.